Just thought I'd throw out a quick video on the Baja. Not done anything to it for what, a month or so. As you can see, he's off the rollers now. And this is pretty much how low I want to go. Whether we put it on air ride later on, that could be a plan. But I don't think there's another Slam Baja out there. Could be, but not locally here or anything. But that's looking cool. Now, was away on holiday, what, last week. Popped in to see my friend with a black Beetle. Posted a video on that. I bought a stainless steel header off him. He bought it off someone at a Volkswagen meet. And I'm going to call it a talking piece because I don't reckon it could be used. It's just so mad. Doesn't leak. We've ran air through it. It's all been welded up. Looks pretty cool. But it's stainless steel. But it's just crazy. And there's the exhaust tip that got through in with the deal. But even if I don't put it on this Baja, I'll just use it as a wall hanger. Good talking piece. That's what it'll be. But it's so cool. Let me know in the comments what you think. If it could be usable. Everything lines up straight. There to there. Mad. Not seen anything like it. I don't even think it's been used either since it's been made up. That's crazy. Let's just stick it under there, right? Now we're talking. So that's just a quick video on the Baja. Loads going on at the minute. Thanks to Mrs. Coco. Done a bit of Tetris today. Yeah, that's the Slam Baja. I'm thinking air ride. I ain't got time to work on it this minute. So I've got the gear I'm doing and the bare metal bug. But I'll pop out when I feel like it and do the bits. See the welding inside, etc. Get it all nice and solid, ready to drop on Project Matey's pan. Body's all off or unattached, so yeah, it looks cool. Nice little project. I've priced up air ride kits, looking at about £1,500. Is that about $1,800 in America? But cool body shell. We've got a roof for it, and we got a full-length roof. But take a look at that. Thanks for watching. If you haven't subscribed already, please subscribe, hit the like button, comment, and yeah, see you on the next video. Cheers.